This is your Daily Diggins.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bell swing.
Hi. Today we're on a minimum day schedule, and Friday. We release at 11 a.m. Today's schedule is as follows. You go to period 2 for your study period, then you go to period 4, then you have a break, then you go to period 3, then you go to the buses, then you go home. Side Council will meet today at 3 o'clock p.m. in the library conference room. Students, staff, parents, and community members are all welcome to attend. Also, ASB stickers, $30 in the student store. We've been over this. They're still there, discounts on yearbooks, dances, sports, all of that goody stuff. And they're like good for the entire year, so go do that. Holiday sale. Need that special holiday gift for that special someone? We have sweatshirts, gloves, scarves, book bags, beanies, hats, sweatbands, anything your pretty little mind can imagine. Check out our ever-growing inventory. Buy yearbooks as a special holiday gift and receive a special holiday card to announce your gift with purchase. Stop in the student store for further information, cash or money order only. Cultural Homestay International would like to provide an opportunity for you to host a student during the 2014-2015 school year. These students will arrive before school starts and be here for the entirety of this next school year. It is not too early to start planning, and they would love to talk to you about this opportunity. The students have a wonderful experience here and in our community, and cultural exchange is a wonderful opportunity for your family. Grow as a person and a unit of familyness. You can contact at 265-0507 or go to jana.porterfield@gmail.com. That is right. Parents, the holidays are quickly approaching. Do you still need a gift for your special student? The NUHS Student Store has yearbooks, clothing, window stickers, UWA shirts, and much more as I mentioned above. Check out the Nevada Union Student Store Facebook page and see what we have to offer. If you want to come, you can go to the student store after visiting the front office for a visitor's pass. Be sure to bring cash or money order only. There are no debit cards, credit cards, checks, or any of those other money things. Goldpan newspaper. View our newspaper online at nugoldpan.com. Now for our reminders, please clean out your PE locker before break. Write your combo so you don't forget. Return. Thanks. That's from the PE staff. Juniors, you took the PSATs, may pick up your results from their attendance secretary in the SSC immediately. And your graduate returns. To give presentation on her first semester at University of Portland. Sign up in the Student Store Service Center to attend the presentation by Nicole Stuckey on her experiences of the college enrollment process. Learn about University of Portland, living in the PNW, and much more. Meeting will be held January 7th, 4th period, and into lunch at the library conference room. Boom. Students, buy your UWA shirts in the Student Store during passing periods and lunch for $20. Cash or money order only. No checks. Receive a discount on each boys or girls basketball game you attend. Stop at the student store to inquire about the full savings you'll be receiving by purchasing the shirt. Show your school spirit. Your shirt is good. Every year you're a student, all 4 years for all games. Huge savings. We all know this. Cold weather means sweatshirts, sweatpants, gloves, scarves, beanies. We all have that to keep you warm in the student store. Bring cash or money order only. They have those. Also in the student store, we have yearbooks. And not only this year's yearbooks, we also have 2012 and 2013 year yearbooks for $75 and 2011-2012 year for $50. That's right, we have past years. Go to the student store, regular time, before school, passing periods, and at lunch, and do that. Marquee message. Oh yeah, have you a special occasion coming up for someone that you want to put in the school's marquee? Here's your chance. Birthday, anniversary, congratulations, good luck, anything except business advertisements for $10 per day. Cash or money order only. Please order in the student store during regular school store hours, and turn ASAP because only the first 5 will be picked. There's a 4-word maximum, so don't forget that. Today has been fantastic, and I hope you have a day of finals. Can't say, good day. Just do best. Something's happening here. Okay, I don't know. Someone call 911. I'm floating. What's happening? Help!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.